Hey guys, it's Jen with Caketastic Cakes. Let's make some edible blood since it's Halloween. And I'm going to be making a horror cake and I want it to be creepy and spooky. I'm going to show you how to make edible fake blood. You're going to start with half a teaspoon of cocoa powder. Take it, stick 1/2 of a teaspoon into a little bowl, and that's it. It's going to make your fake blood richer and darker, a little more realistic. Now you're going to add 3 tablespoons of corn syrup. Any corn syrup will do. I'm just using the light kind because I happen to have it in my closet. So again, 3 tablespoons. Add it into your bowl. They don't have to be perfect. They have to be good enough. That's it. And then mix it. When you mix your cocoa powder with your corn syrup, it's going to turn really dark brown and rich, and it's not going to look correct at all, but that's okay. We want it to be like this. So now we add the last step, which is food coloring, and you just add as much as you want. You can use the grocery store kind. I'm using the gel food coloring that I have already. I ended up putting, I think, 15 drops into it, and I'm just testing it on my counter or on my piece of glass there. Add a little bit more. Mixy, and then when it's done, give it a little test. Put some on your wrist or your hand and see how it looks. It looks nice and thick, it's dark, it's rich. It drips and it tastes delicious. So happy Halloween and enjoy!